Guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna be doing a squishy dance, but I'm not gonna be picking in the paper. I'm gonna be thinking what a squishy dance. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be jumping on a squishy, and I'm gonna jump in here. This is like this is squishy, so let's get jumping. Wala pa.
Sorry, miss. I'm trying my best to make it up with you.
Make it up to me. No! You're fired.
But I'm serious.
Kailangan ko bang tagalugin? Stante ka na. Go. Leave! Iris. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo sa dyan. Lagi ang tayo. Let's go, honey. Let's go, honey. Faster.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you what happened. So the next one I'm going to be stepping on a squishy for 10 times. So I'm gonna be doing this squishy. Okay, let's get stepping. Guess so.
Merlin,
Oh,
inom ka.
okay. So my mom just told me something.
Delivers important news that shape our history. Provides interviews and commentaries.
I'm jumping for like.
Allows Filipinos
So this is what I did. Oh, sorry. Ah,
that define our nation.
so flattened. It was so flattened earlier, like so flattened. So like literally, I'm gonna be sleeping in this bed. So, and now,
Didn't inherit any of this from my father.
and now, I'm going to be like
Especially my stepdad.
showing squishy. I'm not gonna bother anything. I'm gonna be showing the squishy. So I'm gonna show. Show the squishy.
Say that I'm a self-made. Inaral kong lahat ng ito dahil gusto ko mag-excel dito.
So you may know it's a small
When my stepdad
squish.
gave me there,
Yeah,
sabi
like
sa akin, kung gusto ko kumawala sa minor third state, then I better be the best in whatever profession I take.
let's get showing this. I'm just going to stay in the room.
Look, Iris, for our
So
first
I'm gonna
lesson,
draw it here. I know it's going to be loud, really loud.
Madison na lang. Okay, Madison. Good. For our next lesson, stand up.
Oh my god. This is
Turn
really,
around.
like, breaking.
Face me.
Tita V, deliver mo na nga ako for lunch. May gift ka pa para sa amin ni Iris.
Come on, it's the least I can do. Dati nga mas madalas pa tayo nakikita eh. But, it's any consolation. At least now I know I'm close.
So this happens to the one that I did. This is what happens. It didn't change anything because this was a small one. So I'm gonna be doing another stairs for this. Yeah. So I'm gonna use these stairs for
There's nothing in the world
literally like put some tapes on there So yeah.
Anyway, enough about
I got this tape.